Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable alarm notifications on Ezviz camera. To do this, first we'll need to click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the app. Then scroll down to alarm notifications. Right here we can enable or disable them. We can also set up the notifications schedule, change motion detection area and motion detection sensitivity. And when the alarm notifications are enabled, we can adjust device message interval settings between 1 minute or 30 minutes. You can basically use a slider to set your own amount of time. And there's also device alarm mode, and you can switch between intense, soft or silent mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.